In racing, everything happens fast, especially mistakes. In this amateur 600 extreme race, I started 10th, and just when I started clawing my way up the field, well, things got interesting. We're gridding up now, surrounded by a bunch of fast bikes. This race usually turns into chaos at turn 1, and you'll see what I mean. I had a decent launch, but I backed off early instead of squeezing through the chaos. Maybe a mental error, but when you're stuck at the back and can't commit to solid passes early, you end up doing twice the work later in the race. That moment kinda stuck in my head, but you can't dwell. You've gotta reset, fix your lines, and get back into rhythm, fast. Coming into the end of the back straight, I make a clean pass on Henry. He braked a little too early. I stayed on it just a bit longer and grabbed the spot. Now he's tucked in behind me following. I'm eyeing the next overtake. It has to be a calculated move. These guys are quick, and in front of me is Spencer. He started 4th and carries great corner speed on his R6, but on the straights, my 636 eats R6s for breakfast. I saw the opening and went for it, laid on the brakes, looking to make the pass without wasting time, but I overcooked it, couldn't make it stick. As I tipped in, the bike was too unstable to release the brakes and finish the corner. So off I went, straight through the grass. In a moment like that, contact is possible. Huge respect to Spencer for holding his line and saving it. It's good battling with riders who know how to keep it upright under pressure. The race ended early for me, and honestly, it was a result of me not being fully dialed in on one race or one bike. That day I had 3 races, and the day before, 3 more. Switching between my Kawasaki and the older R6, 2 completely different platforms, and that's the thing, when you only run one bike, you do everything to make it work, but when you're jumping between setups, you never fully get the best out of either one. Live and learn. Sometimes the lesson isn't just in corner entry or braking markers, it's in your entire race day setup. Appreciate you watching. If you've had moments like this, drop a comment.